Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the blueprint for my dream home kitchen, and you have to see this Modern Tudor Organic fusion. It is insane. It's totally giving historic mansion vibes, but like without being stuffy, you know? The scale alone is massive. We are talking about a workspace that's easily 16 feet wide, and the ceilings? Oh my gosh, the ceilings are 10 feet high with these rich dark wood beams crisscrossing everywhere. It adds so much texture and drama, right? But the color palette is the real game changer. They use this deep, rich olive green on all the cabinets, shaker style, and it's paired with this stunning, highly veined stone. The island is the main event. It's a waterfall design, probably 8 feet long, and the stone just cascades down the sides. It makes the whole room feel grounded and natural, almost like you brought the outside in. Honestly, boring white kitchens are officially canceled. This design solves the biggest housing drama, feeling cramped or sterile. This kitchen is spacious, gorgeous, and yet totally cozy because of all the natural elements. It feels like the ultimate luxury retreat. Plus, look at all that light coming in through those massive leaded windows over the farmhouse sink. You could spend all day here. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.